Hi, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I have a PhD in biology from the University of California, Irvine. I've worked quite a bit in the field of stem cell regeneration, over 18 years of stem cell regeneration, cell biology in general. And here at Da Vinci Biosciences, we are a reference lab that does quite a bit of work for different companies to test different various products on a regular basis. So what we're going to discuss today is a particular product called Laminine from Life Farm, and this product is a capsule that you take on a regular basis. The reason why we're discussing this is because they came to us and said, we'd like to test this product. We've been having phenomenal results on different individuals on it. So how can we actually test this? So what we did here was we actually gathered my group of scientists, my cell biologists, and we all got together and discussed what do we need to do to demonstrate what is in the product, is it safe, and somewhat how does it work? How does this work? How does it make individuals feel better? Or what's the possible mechanisms of how this stuff works? Cells in our body are actually the basic functional unit that's in your body that actually helps you to maintain health, helps you to maintain what's called homeostasis, your regular normal physical activity. These things turn over on a regular basis. And the way that works is the majority of our cells in our body, they actually divide, and as they divide, they actually age. They only have a finite amount of divisions. What occurs is within the actual cell, which we'll describe a little bit more detail of this, we have these things called telomeres inside on the chromosomes. Telomeres are on the ends of chromosomes. These are things like shoelaces that basically look at the end of the shoelaces, the caps on them, and they're plastic capped, and these are coated. As a cell divides, these become shorter and shorter, and your telomeres become shorter and shorter. What does that mean for you? It basically means as these things divide and the telomeres become shorter and shorter, at some certain point they become what's called critically short telomeres. And when they become critically short telomeres, scientists now know that this is part of aging. This is natural aging that occurs. However, there's a direct correlation that the shorter the telomere and the more what's called critically short telomeres is there a direct correlation with aging and disease. Well, we talk about what type of disease. Number one, we talk about dementia. Number two, heart disease, cancer, etc. So the shorter the telomere, the more prone you are to actually obtain these type of diseases. And these are naturally occurring aging diseases. So we looked at telomerase activity because this is a gauge of what's going on in your body, and if we can increase this telomerase activity, we now know that this can actually help maintain your telomeres from being cut and being shortened. The product increases telomerase activity. What does that mean for you? Is that your telomeres will be maintained and you can maintain youth better this way.